Hello everyone. Today I will be showing you step by step on how to remove bulk apps from your phone. So many people have many apps on their phone, but they are not making use of it. So those apps that you are not making use of it, what you will do is to uninstall the app to free up some space in your phone. That's what you do because unusable apps don't have anything to do in your phone. Rather, it will be consuming data. Maybe you own your phone. Maybe you are using one particular phone to work. So what you will do, once you own your data, the thing will be taking up some of your data. Then will be taking also your space. And before you know it, your data will finish and you will not see any data again to do whatever you are doing on your phone. So the best way and the good thing for you is to remove the apps entirely. Just uninstall the app entirely and make use of it. Make use of your phone the way you want your phone. So now I want to be showing you step by step on how to do this. Do it perfectly and everything will work fine without stress. So we can start now. I will show you step by step. So what we do is to go to your settings. Go to your settings. So these are our settings. So once you go to your settings, you will look for, many Android phones have their own display language. So here we will looking for apps. You click here, app management. So once you have clicked your app management, you will see everything. You will see app list, screen time, default apps, apps update, permission manager, special app access, display over other apps. So here you will click on your app list. So here you click on your app list. Then after clicking on your app list, you see that you search the app that you want to install. Maybe you want to uninstall TikTok. Maybe you're no longer interested in your TikTok and I want to uninstall it. You press TikTok. There is it. So here I'm in my TikTok. Maybe I no longer want to use this TikTok. Look at it. So if I want to remove it, it's either I go here, I will uninstall it, or for stop it. Once I for stop it, it will be in my phone, but it no longer work until I will enable it. But if I uninstall it, it will remove completely. So then I don't want to remove my TikTok because I'm using it. So I'm using it for example so that you understand where I'm going to. So you still go back. Then let's uninstall one app. Let's check the apps that we no longer use so that we can delete the apps. So like Boom Alive, I don't want to use Boom Alive again. So I will uninstall it. Okay, it's gone. Have you seen it? So I will look for another one, another app. This is the simple way to do it so that you'll not be removing it through your icon. All these apps, look at it. Look at maybe this first band app. I'm not using it for now. So I will remove it. I will click on it, uninstall it. It's gone. So let's check for another apps. There is a simple way to do it. So let's check for one more app. Then we can stop here. So just like this PI, I'm no longer using PI. Then I will tap on it, then uninstall it. It's gone. This is exactly how you will be doing it, because it will bring out all the apps you are using in your Android phone. Then if you follow these steps, you will uninstall everything I want to uninstall from this app. And it's very simple and easy. So do it, try it now, and get everything done very well. So you can go back. That is everything about the steps to do it. So if you find it helpful, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel for another tech review.